Can't share your WhatsApp status or story directly to Facebook on your iPhone? After watching this video, you can share your updates with all your Facebook friends. In this video, I'll show you how you can share your WhatsApp status or story directly to Facebook. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the updates from the bottom left corner. Now tap on the three dots from the top left corner. Next, tap Status Privacy. Look below. You will find the option called Facebook Story. Tap on it. Next, tap Get Started. Now, complete the Facebook login. After completing the login, you can share your WhatsApp story with your Facebook friends. To do that, go back, tap on the little camera icon, add a picture. Now look at the bottom left corner. You will find an option called Status. Tap on it. Here you will see Always Share to Facebook Story option. Simply toggle it on, and then tap Done. Now upload the story. Now go to your Facebook account and check the story whether the WhatsApp story shared or not. Hope it works. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.